What is up, you guys? Welcome back into another video. Today we got here my boy FADED20K. Say hi to the vlogs.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? We are back with another video. We're gonna be doing a Q&A on Baldi basics, so make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and share before we start this video. So yeah, make sure you follow those steps, and we get right into the video. Let's go, Daniel.
Let's do this. Screenomatic, and what's next? Baldi. Alright guys, you ready? Let me lower the volume down. 3, 2, 1, press continue. Welcome to Baldis Basics in Education and Learning. Shut up, Baldi. You're not gonna get me this time, especially with Jaden. Alright, let me delete this first. There we go. Alright guys. What the heck was that? Alright, Jaden. Jaden, stop! You're gonna get my fingers demonetized. Stop! Alright. Now ask me some questions and I'm gonna answer them. Just like Q&A. Let me lower this.
Okay, first question. How old is Baldi?
666.
Wrong.
12.
For everybody's favorite subject.
No. Huh?
Problem
Got that right.
5 plus 7.
Solve mathematics question 3.
Right, Jim, that's right. Alright, next question, Jaden. Or Faded.
Next question. How old is playtime?
Playtime is like 6.
Just click on it with the left.
Correct.
I knew it.
How old is
7 plus
Is what?
equals
how old is the Earth?
The Earth is like 2 billion.
Wrong. Infinity.
Infinity? It's not infinity. Alright guys, we're gonna get this wrong. 3, 2, 1. Oh, he mad. You need some milk. Alright, I'm sorry. Alright guys. Alright, Jaden, you see me? You see this?
I see you, my dude.
Alright, for real, do you see me playing?
Of course, my dude.
Alright, we're just calling each other on Discord. So no playtime, you better. Ooh! Dang it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get your freaking face away from me, you little girl.
Ugly girl.
Yeah,
Don't
I'll
get
go.
a hair done, boy.
Oh, yes! Shut the heck up. Is Baldi right behind me? I swear, if he is, I'm done. Oh, notebook! Yay, notebook. Alright. And guys, I practiced my math skills. Alright, Jaden. Faded, what's the next question?
The next question is, if I was 8 years old, right?
Yeah?
And my
Dang it. Yeah?
and my mom is 51 years old. How, for 3 years, how old would I be?
11.
Wrong.
How?
I would be 15
How?
because I'm 15.
You're not 15, bro.
I'll be 15 in 4 years.
What the?
Get it?
Oh, I get it. Did it?
What was the number of the door you just walked through?
99.
Problem 1. Great job.
99?
You're doing
Correct. What is the name of a company that sells Apple?
It sells Apple? The phone?
I'm not telling you.
That sells. Oh, shit. To be honest, I really don't know.
I'm giving you a clue.
iPhone.
What is the N?
What's the end?
Yes.
iPhone 4?
Corporation, boy.
Corporation.
Apple Corporation. Run! Run, Daniel! Run! You're gonna get detention. You're gonna get detention by the principal. Wait, Baldi's way faster than the principal. That's odd.
Yeah, I thought the principal was like zoom. I really want to get these notebooks, but I can't because this stupid bald guy. You know what? I'm risking it.
Oh, boom, 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 boom.
0, 5.
I escaped out of prison.
I know math. Oh no. Oh no.
Guys, I have my gun right here. If Daniel gets this question wrong, I'm gonna shoot myself in the head.
Don't.
If he gets caught by Baldi, I'm gonna shoot myself.
Bro, what's wrong with you?
If
Don't.
he gets caught by Baldi, I'm gonna shoot myself.
No, 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 no.
Playtime?
No, 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 no.
Boom!
No, Jaden. Wait, faded? Faded?
Welcome
Faded?
to Baldis Basics.
Faded!
Oh, hi.
Did you actually say that?
Now it's time for everybody.
No! 3. You mad, bro? Stop, bro. My YouTube is gonna get. Whoa, why is Baldi so fast? He did this like 3 times already.
Because he needs some milk.
Okay, by his mom. Alright, 6'5".
Baldi's mom's so skinny.
Guys, I'm
Yeah,
super speed. I'm typing the right answer,
here.
guys. I'm typing the right answer. Alright. I
Hey
knew.
Daniel,
Yeah,
you know my Baldi loves you.
he doesn't love me. Why is there a reason he's slapping me with the freaking ruler, my dude?
He slaps you because he's skinny.
No, Playtime. You better stay away from me, Playtime. I hate you, Playtime. You're the worst.
Playtime has such a long nose. Oh God. He's Squidward.
I hate you, Playtime.
The Squidward.
Yes, come on, first prize. Come on, I need you. I'm tired of this maniac.
People for all eternity.
Alright, now you can turn around. Bro. Come on, Playtime. I'm first prize. Come on, first prize. Quick. Bro, you're so slow, Playtime. Jay, yo, Faded. What's the next question?
The next question is, what gun do I have?
Pistol.
Raw.
No running in the home.
No running holes. Stop telling me what to do. First prize, protect me.
15 seconds. Detention for you. You should know better.
You should stop telling me what to do, you hot dog mouth. Oh, get wrecked.
You know why the Playtime always plays with you?
Let me read. For her poor eyesight.
Playtime plays with you because she's the next generation of Squidward.
Get wrecked, Playtime. More like sad time. Sorry, guys. I'm just really cringy.
Subscribe for free rope and Builders Club.
Builders Club? You can't give Builders Club.
Shut the shit up!
What? Jay? Faded! Faded. Alright, what's the next question?
It's good!
What's the next question?
The next question is, what's your mom's credit card number?
Come on, real questions. Real questions.
First and last question. What is the name of one of the Islam's country? Harry.
One of the what?
JK. So what is, tell me one restaurant in Islam.
Islam?
Yep.
Sweep, sweep, sweep. Sweep, sweep, sweep.
Fine, I'll change the question.
Yeah.
Tell me one favorite food Jewish people like to eat.
Fish.
Question is right.
Dog. That's what my family eats. To be honest. Yeah, to be honest.
I'm gonna take your cane.
No, you're not, bully. Wait, how many minutes? 11 minutes!
Guys, we're gonna end the video now. So thank you. We did this video only for views, okay? Believe me, we only did it for views.
Okay. I hear every door you open. Shut up, Baldi. I hear every slap you make.
If you enjoyed this video, hope you like and subscribe. Like this video and share it, and in the comments tell me that you love it. Or else I'll haunt you when you're sleeping. And I'll have Momo beside you.
Bro, don't talk about Bro, I can't wait until I edit this video. I'm gonna hear that same voice you did again.
Please upload this video now, or I will haunt you.
You sound like Mickey Mouse. You sound like Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse.
You know what you sound like? You sound like Milky Mouse.
Milky Mouse. What the... Bro. Whoa!
I be cooking fish in my dish. Eat my fish. Yeah.
No ring in the hall.
No, ring the hose.
30 seconds.
No!
Detention for you.
At least I have
When
this.
will you learn?
Hope you like this video. Bye bye.
Wait, not yet. When this game is done, guys, I'm gonna end the video.
No. God, please, no. No.
There's not that much time left. Yes, Baldi, go away. Go away.
I forgot the sauce.
No. Sorry.
They made it, the ship is slow.
Alright guys, I'm gonna leave it off for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. See you later. Peace out. Yo, Faded, say bye to the views.
Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll haunt you. Bye-bye.
Bye.